Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you some of the best places to get free music and sound effects, so let's begin. So for both music and sound effects, I recommend using YouTube Audio Library and Epidemic Sound. And for sound effects alone, you can use Freesound and Piaxabay. Now Freesound and Piaxabay both offer music as well, but in my opinion it's a lot safer to use music from YouTube and Epidemic Sound. Now I'm not saying that Piaxabay and Freesound will have copyright issues, but there's a less chance that you will get any issues with YouTube Audio Library and Epidemic Sound. And now with that being said, let's go through each of them. Quick note, if you want more in-depth Blender and Minecraft animation training, bonus assets, and full courses, I've got links to my Patreon and my Udemy course in the description. Now, let's get started. So the first place you can get royalty-free music and sound effects is YouTube Audio Library. So if you have a YouTube and Google account, you can access the YouTube Audio Library in your YouTube studio, or you can just Google YouTube Audio Library and it will take you right here. So as you can see, we have music and sound effects, and we also have a start section, which is the tracks or the sound effects that you actually liked. So if I like music, I can start and then revisit this later on. So what you can do is search it. And if you don't want to attribute or credit any artists, you can do attribution not required. Or if you want to search for higher quality music, you can click on attribution required. And then once you get the CC license type, and for example, you use this music in your animations or in your videos, what you can do is click here and then copy this. And then once you finish your animation, paste this in the description of your video, which is very important. But if you don't want to credit anyone, you can turn this off and then make sure you enable attribution not required. And the cool thing you can do is switch between different genres and moods. So what you can do is click here and then click on genre, and then search, for example, ambient and classical and cinematic. These three are my favorites because I use them mostly in Minecraft animations, but you can search for different genres and moods as well. So I can click on apply, click here again, and let's search for mood. Let's say, for example, I want bright, angry, calm, and then dark, maybe with dramatic. And then I can search through pages and pages of different music. And the great thing about this YouTube Audio Library is that you're not going to get in trouble with the copyright. You're not going to have any copyright claims, and you can use this music safely. And I've actually used a lot of music from here. So yeah, you're good to go from there. If you like the music, you can download it from here and then use it in your animations. You can just drag and drop it inside your video editor, whatever video editor you use, and that's that. The next place we have is Piaxabay. Piaxabay is known for having royalty-free stock footage, videos, and images, but it actually has a lot of cool music and sound effects. And go to sound effects, search for different sound effects, and if you like anything, you can just click on download. So if I like this one, I'm going to click on download, and that's pretty much it. And the next very popular resource we have is freesound.org. You can scroll down through thousands of sound effects and music, or you can just search for example, whoosh sound effect, and then download the different whoosh sound effects right here. So I found one of the whooshes, for example, this one. And if you like it, you can click here and then log into download, and it's going to start downloading. It's pretty easy. And the last one on the list is Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound has a lot of great high quality music and sound effects. It's actually paid and they have different subscription types, but I think it's worth it and I've used it many times. And if you can afford, I highly recommend going with Epidemic Sound and pay monthly and then get access to lots and lots of music and sound effects which you can use in your videos. Now this is not a sponsored video or an affiliate. I'm actually not affiliated with Epidemic Sound. I just really love to use their product, and yeah, I recommend using it if you can go the paid route. And they have lots and lots of music which you can scroll through, and it's like endless. They have so much music and sound effects that I also used in some of my animations before, and I highly recommend you use it if you can. If you don't, I highly recommend using the YouTube Audio Library, and you can also have a go at Piaxabay and Freesound. So to summarize, I recommend using YouTube Audio Library and Epidemic Sound for music and sound effects, and for sound effects alone, I recommend using Piaxabay and Freesound. So that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure to give these resources a try. Also, if you want to learn Minecraft animations from start to finish, again, I highly recommend checking out my course. And if you want to support me and get cool rewards, you can check out my Patreon as well, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.